Assalamu alaikum. Hello, welcome back to my channel and also welcome back to Ramadan series. As a part of the series, I have been doing certain Ramadan activities this year. I have already uploaded videos in my channel related to these activities. That is, I have uploaded three parts in total, and in today's video, I'll be sharing the fourth part of Ramadan activities, that is from day 16 till day 20. So I'll be sharing 5 activities in this video. Now, if you are new to my channel, guys, please subscribe to my channel and also click on to the bell icon to receive notifications. Don't miss out any videos from Ramadan series because it's going to be very interesting. Now let's get into the video and check out. The 16th activity which you can try out is creating a dates tree or a dates holder. This is my favorite activity. I already had this folk stand in birds theme. All the folks were missing, so I just have the stand with me. I took few dates and few toothpicks. Using toothpicks, I created a holder to hold the dates. The toothpicks will fall off for sure if not secured properly, so I made use of glue gun to secure the center of the toothpick so that it stands sturdy and stiff, and then the dates holder is ready. Now just take the dates and pierce the dates into the toothsticks, and this is how it looks. Super cool, super trendy and fashionable, and definitely a hit if kept on iftar party. I'm not sure how iftar party will go on this year, but then this is a cool way to make use of organizing dates during iftar. The 17th activity which you can do is hanging decor. Any decor can be done here. For this decor, I took a cardboard. This is basically a cake base holder, and I also had colored rice with me. Creating colored rice is really easy. You just have to add some orange red color to the white rice and sun dry it for some time, and then it is ready. And using a Fevicol, I designed the moon shape, and then I added colored rice on it, and after 5 minutes I dusted off the excess rice, and thus the moon shape got created. Using green paint, I have written Ramadan Kareem on the board, and I made use of white pencil to create stars on it. This can be used as a standing decor piece too. If not, you can also hang this using a ribbon. Just glue the ribbon on the center of the board, and I have used googly eye here to give it a very cute button look. The next activity which you can try out is again a decor piece. That is a mini pillow decor. So I had this mini pillow which I took from one of the watch boxes, and it was already black in color, so I did not do any design. I just wrote Salam Ramzan in the golden acrylic color, and thus the decor piece got created. It kind of gave a different look, but a neat and cute look, I believe. Then the next activity which you can try out is creating a Islamic table mat. This is really easy and super cool, and will definitely be a hit for iftar party or when you have a iftar with family. So all you need is just your existing table place mat. This is made of plastic, so it is really easy to wash. Just turn over the placemat, and when I turned over, it was white in color, so it was very easy for me to design. Using a plate, I just traced out a circle, and inside the circle I wrote this Ramadan, let's revive a sunnah, don't eat too much. And at the top and bottom of the placemat, I have written a note as start with Bismillah and end with Alhamdulillah. And I also completed the look by designing few stars on it. Make sure you make use of the permanent markers to design the placemat so that the writings or the ink doesn't get washed away quickly. The next activity which you can do at home with your kids and family is creating a masjid at home. See, we all are quarantined, and it is really impossible to go to masjid as we have to maintain social distancing, and also masjids are closed. And this Ramadan with it's going to be really difficult missing out Tarawih prayers and iftar at masjid. So why not create a masjid at home? So I would personally suggest everyone to try this out. It's going to be really simple. I did not have any supplies at home, that is I did not have cardboard to create a masjid look. So I made use of these tree branches, and obviously it was brown in color. It kind of gave a deserted look. So I made use of silver glitter ribbon to decorate the branches, and then using fairy lights I gave a kind of glowing look to the branches, and it was already tilted. So I just covered the top of the branches, or that is both the branches, with a ribbon and gave a masjid look. And I already had that Ramadan decor hanging with me, so I just hanged it on the top of the masjid, and I placed my LED light box with a note on it, my little masjid. I also placed a sadqa box which I created as a part of Ramadan activities. It is already there in my previous video, please do go and check. And then I also placed my Ramadan advent calendar. This was also created as a part of Ramadan activities in a part 1 video. Please do go and watch that out. So thus my little masjid came out so beautiful. I really hope that you guys liked all the 5 activities which I mentioned in this video, and please do let me know in the comment section which activity you liked the most and which one you would love to try. Please guys, don't miss out any videos from Ramadan series. I'll be uploading more such videos, and please do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Until then, Allah Hafiz.